Load your family into the 2014 GMC Acadia. A 3.6-liter V6 engine pairs with a sophisticated 6-speed automatic transmission, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. It's equipped with tons of terrific amenities, but it won't break your budget. Like leather upholstery, a tachometer, a trip computer, heated seats, front and rear air conditioning, remote keyless entry, and more. Third-row seats expand the maximum passenger capacity to 8. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, OnStar, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. All-wheel drive enhances stability in unpredictable circumstances. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. We are here to help you.